Wait, I'll make it look good. Man.
Yes, I'll get a good picture.
Yes, I want my sausages floating on top. My crab. There's a potato.
Okay, y'all, there we go. The lighting looks better. That's my niece. And we're about to, this is my first mukbang. Can y'all see our plates? Oh, sorry. Woo! My niece over here. You need help? Scoot over. Okay, y'all can see us a little bit. The lighting is tripping. I'm not even gonna lie. We're gonna put the butter right here. Over some. Put the butter in the middle. Like
I can't
that.
do this.
Do you need help?
Yeah.
Let's go over so they can see you. They see TT. Let me see. You don't have nothing in that one.
Yeah, I know.
You got a little bit out. You got that out. So look. Y'all see that? Oh, look, it dripping. What you could have did. Oh, look. I pulled it right out. Oh, show them. Show them piece of crab you got out of there. So look, did you see this? You can use it as a tool. Look at this, y'all. Y'all see that? Pull it out, baby. Pull this out, baby.
Pick you up one every lobster.
Look. Y'all know for real, they really took these. They took these from Red Lobster. I believe they took the crackers from Red Lobster too. So I'm gonna go in with my sausage.
It's chicken smoked sausage.
A little bit of butter on my potato. Oh my God. So we got potatoes, shrimp, chicken sausage,
Alaskan crab and snow crab.
Alaskan crab,
I can.
snow crab. You got your corn. Oh, my mom came to help her. I helped you get most of it out.
Yeah.
Look at this, y'all. Oh, look at that meat in it.
Here, baby.
Can y'all see it? Oh my God, look at all that in there. Oh, y'all see that? Look how big it is. Y'all.
Scoop your eye out.
Okay. I'm gonna do that one last. I'm gonna do this one.
Want me to sit?
Don't mind my broke nail. Yes, I know it's ugly. Dip that up in there.
Oh, you fling that on me.
Mama, that butter's always on point. Ooh.
Ooh.
You throw the shells over there. That's why I got the paper down, baby.
Right here, right?
Mm-hmm.
Here come James.
You want? Titi, what do you want?
Can I use
I
this?
didn't call you, baby.
I don't care.
Y'all, use this as a tool.
Take this in like
Scoop
this.
out, look. Look at that. Oh, it fell right in the butter, Mama.
I need some more lemon in that butter.
Okay, that's why you got wedges of lemon right there.
No, you squeeze it on your
squeeze
stuff
it
after.
on your stuff.
I know.
Wait till I'm done getting it all out.
This is what my mom do when they go to the restaurants. Because my niece really loves crab
And I don't
and
get to eat
lobster.
it.
You do.
Yeah, but my food is always cold because I'm breaking your stuff down.
But she ate first this time because I was trying to film and...
Well, I just had me a taste. I needed me a taste.
Oh, I want that piece of crab that fell in here. I lost a piece of crab, Mama. Oh, well. But, y'all, let me get a piece of a little bit of this corn. You know what I'm doing? Just put a little bit of butter on the corn.
Look, baby. Big chunk.
Show them your crab, your nose.
This chef, I have to put this in.
What Gigi broke out for you? Aiden went upstairs. Aiden!
Poor Sebastian. He never got to live his life.
Did y'all hear her? You heard what she said? I thought he was a lobster. No, he's a crab, isn't he?
Mm-hmm.
What we eating, lobster or crab? Same
Crab.
thing.
We're eating Mr. Krabs and Sebastian.
Oh, we can eat him because he's cheap.
Look.
I like Mr. Crab. He's
Look.
funny.
Show them that, you know.
Pull that chunk out of there.
You gotta do like that so I can focus. Scoot in. Aiden!
Okay. That's on it.
No, she's showing them. Go pick up your 2 pieces.
You squeeze your lemon on your crab meat, baby.
Hey. No. No. Hey. Don't touch that.
James, leave it alone. Titi got it.
No.
Your mom said no. She's got to take these back upstairs.
You need to put him in. Aiden, what are you? And that's how she made her little crab boil.
Added my sausage, my potatoes. Potatoes first because they take the longest to cook. Then my corn, then my crab and my shrimp last because they don't take that long.
What is she doing? You want what?
You can eat crab legs.
Here, you want some crab? You want to eat Mr. Krabs? James, I'm eating Mr. Krab.
She's so gross. Huh?
He wants Thomas. Mom, where's your phone?
She said he wants Thomas.
No, he wants to watch Thomas.
I'm finna watch my Fatal Attraction.
No, he want to watch it on the phone.
Please get all these up. Where's my phone? Get all that up.
Y'all see that? I can't even get it all out. Hold on, I gotta take my glasses off. Sorry we look raggedy for this video. My mom just decided, was like, I'm gonna do her a real mukbang because I've been telling her about these videos. And I filmed a small, it wasn't really one like this. I will upload that one too. But it wasn't like this yet. She told me she was gonna cook so I can do a real one.
I'm done.
You done?
That's your tonight dinner.
Look.
No, you said now it's gonna be dinner for tonight.
Look.
Because it's so much. We got such a big pie.
Mom,
I don't know it's going to make that much.
go wash your hands so you can get him the phone.
Probably it's only going to make them.
Please, I'll get you some more in a minute.
But when I got to putting it
Go
on,
look at him.
I had to switch pots.
Oh
I
my
make sure
God.
y'all wash your hands and put all the clothes in the washing machine. Y'all done eating all that crap.
She not done. Move, boy. Say hi. Say hi, guys. Look.
Hello.
Say hi, guys.
Hi, guys.
Say how are you?
Hi,
Hi, you.
hi, internet world. Suck it out. You gotta suck it out. Dip it in the
I
butter.
did. That's what I did. Boy, she's getting your phone. Get off of me.
I'm sorry you like having
But yeah, we look raggedy because it was just like a spurring moment, and I wasn't about to get dressed to mess up my clothes.
It was for you, Nyla. I don't see my cell phone. Somebody said my cell phone was home.
But I wasn't about to get dressed, mess up my clothes, and get seafood on them. Unlock it and give it to him. Look, Aiden Thomas. Move, go. Mama, look at
I'm
him.
really just supposed to be boiling 2 pieces of crab.
She was. It was only supposed to be a few pieces of crab.
For her lunch today. It turned into something else.
It's better than cafeteria lunch.
So yeah, sorry we look raggedy
And I skipped
because we got a week off work in school. Me and Nyla, because I work in the same, I work at a school in the same district as her. The one she goes to school in. So we got the week off, and it's called fall break. Wow, all this crab and all this one in it. Nothing was in it. Oh, here it goes, a little piece. Dang, Aiden. But, yeah. excuse our ratchetness. Sometimes you gotta crack it with your teeth, y'all. Just do it if you can. But yeah, we just been chilling really.
A plastic thing from the lobster fair.
We've been watching what? Oh, scary movie. Netflix.
American Poltergeist
1 and 2.
Oh, y'all watch both guys?
It was a Netflix one. I think they were Netflix or like low budget. No, they wasn't like that, Mom. It was different.
Yeah, the first one.
It was basically just like something was haunting them. It wasn't even like
That's the original.
the Poltergeist
The first one is scary. The second one is
was whack. Y'all, do y'all see how big this
What do
is?
you need now, baby? Another piece of crab? What are you trying to
I said I'll get her some. Look at that meat that just came out of that knuckle. Is this called the knuckle right here or something?
Let me see.
Right here.
The knuckle is the end part by the claw.
This?
Let me see. I can't see it, girl. You know I'm blind.
This. I don't know if this was a knuckle, but it got some meat in it.
No, knuckle's more like the pincher.
It's a joint.
Yeah.
So, y'all, I'm about to try to crack this up. I want to do a mukbang for Louisiana. If y'all know what that is. I don't know if y'all have them in y'all city, but we have one where we live.
Occasionally.
Yep. It's kind of like the boiling crab. I've never been to either of them. So, I'm really looking forward.
You go to boiling crab, your mama makes you a boiling crab right there.
That's what I'm talking about. Oh, y'all, look at that. It ripped. Oh my God, y'all. This is chunky. Oh, I can't even get.
like Aiden.
Wedge it out so you can get it out in the hole.
I'm trying.
Take the knife and maybe.
Oh, it ripped, y'all. But it's big. It's big, y'all. I'm trying to suck it out. Oh, look. Look.
Are you done?
I'm gonna get you some more right now. Why?
No. It's a question. Are you done? It's supposed to be the horoscope check. If you say yes, that means like done is like the same as dumb.
Oh, are you done?
Yeah.
You're saying it like that, but you're saying it fast, so I think you're saying, are you done?
Yep. But you answered no.
Nope. So I'm not done. So yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed our. Oh, you gonna make him fall.
No.
And now he's biting me. Get him off me.
Okay, the piggyback ride. Come, piggyback ride.
So that was our first little mukbang, well, my second one. Unila's first. We hope you guys enjoyed.
No.
I'm about to get Unila some more. Go sit on the couch. I'm about to go get Unila some more crab.
You do all that work for such little meat.
Yes, y'all heard her. She said you do all that work for such little meat. But she picked out some good ones. Yeah, good amount of meat in it. So yeah, I'm about to get my niece some more crab because she wants some more. And I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe. Give this video a thumbs up. And we'll see you guys in the next mukbang.